Alright guys, UPS just dropped this off. It's a PU sniper that I just got from Classic Firearms. It's a 43 Izhevsk, pretty typical. Matching bolt, matching butt plate, lined out foreplate, but you know, refurbs have that. I got a progress scope, the B series, refurb mark, very good optics on it, came with a nice eye cap piece for it, and lined out scope number, new one put on, scope mount, it's not the rifle serial number but it is the scope number. Let's see. The bore looks brand new on this rifle. I have to say it's pretty amazing. And we got a sort of odd handguard there. Not sure what's going on with that. And then also we have a very funky repair in the stock. Let's see. Right there, got like a little trapezoid cut out. Thought that was sort of interesting. But yeah, it's a sniper rifle from Classic Firearms. Amazing buy, and I am sure happy that I got it.